In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install MCP servers on Claude Desktop. Whether you're a seasoned user or just trying out this tool, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part along the way. First, let's launch Claude Desktop. You might already have it opened up on your computer, but if not, locate the application icon on your desktop or in your Programs folder and double-click to open it. Once Claude Desktop is up and running, you'll notice the main interface, which should look familiar if you've used the app before. Now let's head over to the Settings section. You can usually find the Settings menu on the main toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on Settings and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Extensions. This is where you'll be able to manage all the additional features and tools that can enhance your experience with Claude. Once you're in the Extensions section, look for the option that says Browse Extensions. Clicking on this will take you to a new page or window showcasing a variety of available extensions you can add to your Claude desktop. These extensions can range from simple tools to complex features, so take a moment to explore what's on offer. Next, you'll need to select an MCP server or extension that suits your needs. The list can be quite extensive, so don't hesitate to use any search functionality if it's available to narrow down your options. Once you've found the MCP server extension you want, click on it. This will typically show you more detailed information about the extension, what it does, its requirements, and maybe even some user reviews or ratings. With all the information in hand, and if you're ready to proceed, click the Install button to begin the installation process. Now, depending on the specific MCP server you're trying to add, you might be prompted to enter some credentials or API keys. These keys are crucial for connecting and verifying your access to the server, making sure everything works seamlessly. If you're unsure where to find these keys, check with your service provider or the documentation associated with the MCP server. It's essential to input these details accurately to avoid setup issues, so take your time with this step. Once the extension is installed and the API keys are properly entered, you're almost ready to start using the new feature. Head back to the main interface of Claude Desktop and start a new chat session. You should find that the tool is now available to use. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its functions and try it out to ensure everything was configured correctly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have an MCP server up and running on your Claude Desktop. With these new